What's up everybody on YouTube? AJ Russ back here with another cooking video. And today I'll be showing y'all how to make M&M brownies. Let's get it.
Hey, GeoGotBands, huh?
This was my first time making these, and I've never attempted to make M&M brownies, but I ate some before and they smacked. I've made slutty brownies, which are also known as Oreo brownies. Also, I made a video on that y'all can check out, but I decided to why not add another brownie recipe to my cooking bag and make some M&M brownies. Now obviously there's ways to make these from scratch, but I'll be showing y'all how to make it from a box method. So with that being said, let's make some brownies, man. So first off, the ingredients you'll need are a family size bag of M&Ms, a box of Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix, 2 eggs, and vegetable oil. You'll obviously also need a large bowl and a pan that you'll put the brownie mix and then the eventual brownies into. The first thing you'll put in the bowl is your brownie mix, and then you'll follow the instructions on the back of the box. You'll simply add 2 eggs and a half cup of vegetable oil along with 3 tablespoons of water. I also added some milk chocolate chips to the mix as well. After you mix those ingredients together, then you'll add the special topping of M&Ms into the mix, which is roughly around a half cup, but I usually eye that process out. Then after it's mixed, you'll step away from the bowl and prepare your pan or tray. And basically with that, all you'll need to do is spray your pan with some type of margarine, whether it's Pam spray or butter. Me myself, I use Pam spray. After that, you'll add your brownie mix into the pan, and before placing it in the oven, make sure to put more M&Ms and chocolate chips on top so it'll have that nice aesthetic touch. Also guys, before putting the brownies in the oven, you'll want to preheat your oven at a temperature of 350 degrees. After that, you can place them in the oven, and you'll want to start checking them around 25 minutes. The brownies took around 30 minutes to be fully finished for me though. The best way to tell if the brownies are ready is by using a toothpick, and if it's still watery or a little dense, it's not ready. But if you see a fudgy texture, then you'll know it's finished. After that, you'll let your brownies cool off, and then you can get ready to dive in.
So guys, it's pretty much a very simple dessert to make. Like I said before, I made slutty brownies before. This is a different experience because I had M&M brownies before and I wanted to have my own take on it. So yeah, they were definitely simple just for all those instructions, and it'll turn out good. And let me know how it goes for y'all in the comments down below. This recipe, you can make a good amount of brownies. It may make like around 9 to 16, 12, something like that, 12 to 16 I'd say. So if you have like some leftover brownies, and you're not gonna eat them all in one day, because I mean, who would? I mean, I guess if you're that hungry, you can. But anyways, if you want to save them for a later date, all you gotta do is like put them in a plastic zipper bag, you know, one of those long zipper bags, or put it in some of the brownies in a plastic container and just put them in the freezer. Brownies last a long time in the freezer, so that's the best way to preserve them. And then whenever you want to eat them at a later date, you can just let them thaw out, or you can warm it in the microwave. So yeah, these brownies are a nice cheat day dessert whenever you're doing good throughout the week, eating healthy, and you want to treat yourself. Why not make some M&M brownies? It's definitely dope. Not hard to make, as you saw in this video. So let me know how it turns out for y'all for sure. Anyways though guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Swaggy Russ. I thank y'all for watching. There's more cooking content on the way. Like I said, these brownies, oh my gosh. Y'all know I'm about to go in. Like, there's nothing else to be said. There's nothing to worry about. You know I'm about to go in. So yeah, for sure. But thank y'all for watching. More content on the way in general. All types of content. We're posting all types of stuff, so definitely stay tuned. I appreciate y'all watching, and yeah, y'all take it easy. Be blessed.